Okay, so I finished last night. I got a pretty good load. I mean, I could have put more on, but it was getting late, and you know, I don't want to make too much noise, so I was cutting it a little bit short. But as you know, there's endless amounts of scrap there. It's just like totally endless amounts. I just understand why people aren't picking it up more. You know, years ago it was never like that. It was, I mean, you'd get scrap a little bit here and there, but not that much. It's obviously people are asleep or just missed the boat, basically. So, you know, I got wire here and, you know, this compressor. I figured the motor and stuff, and then, you know, I threw stuff in here, wire. I got a turntable here and a DVD player there. But anyways, gonna unload this now, dump this load. On the way here, I saw 2 microwaves on the way here. One was a big over-the-range microwave, and the other one was just a small one. So, okay, stay tuned. See, it's starting to build up. You know, if I didn't dump the tin right away, you know, I would never handle the yard possible. So this is all like mixed aluminum and different things. And I still have the weight van totally full still. I'm gonna dump that load, and then I'm gonna go out there with the red van only and just kind of scout around, see if there's electronics and stuff they didn't pick up, because I'll leave it behind. And then I got a washer and dryer my friend wants me to pick up, so I'll pick that up hopefully later. Okay, we're off to the scrapyard now. Okay, we're approaching the scrapyards. Check out the Asian yard, looks pretty busy. Yeah, there's a fair share of people there. See what's around the corner here. Yeah, I don't know what that smoke was. It was smoked a little bit and was gone, so I had never heard nothing, but it was quite the smoke, but you never know. I don't see nothing major here, so it's good. Okay, so I'll let you know what the weigh-in scales are and all that, and hopefully the price is not going to drop anymore, but they probably dropped on purpose just for spring cleanup, because they're probably getting, you know, sometimes you get crappier loads, right? So they probably, that's probably why they did it. Hard to say, but or maybe they got too much in the yard, you know, when you got lots, they don't care, they just drop the price a little bit. When they don't have any, even the price is high. There's probably a theory behind that, right? Okay, yeah, I might as well have the tour. All the aluminum, looks like they shipped a lot away. Wow, you got stainless steel piles, aluminum piles, major amounts of metals here, I'll tell you. Still a big pile of aluminum over there. They use these bins here when the big trucks come here, when the bale trucks, they park here and they sweep all their rubble and crap into those little bins there. Behind this load here, looks like, yeah, they're hauling steady. We'll get some action today, a little bit of hauling. You watch how good these guys load, how fast they load. They're really good guys. I'll turn the Harley off. Just tear right into it. Well, at least they're hauling anyways, that's good. But these guys are right on the yard. The yard is all organized, clean. And they got machines that pick up nails and screws, constantly cleaning the ground. You know, they take care of you, these guys. Yeah, she said prices went all across the board. $10 down, so all the different tier levels, I guess, get $10 lower. That's the way it goes, I guess. What do you do? I mean, okay, well, I'll limit the filming for now. We'll see at the it was actually pretty good, just down to 2,800 pounds. I could have probably put another 500 pounds on top easy. There was still room and voids and stuff, but I kind of grabbed heavier, smaller stuff that was heavier, so that kind of gave me the extra weight there. And the van is full too, so the van's got a lot of material in there, a lot of steel in there and metal and appliances and all that. I got a hot water tank and miscellaneous stuff, but overall pretty good. Not bad. It's still 160 a ton, so it was like 222 for all that load. Not too bad. And that's a net ton, 2,000 pounds, and not a metric ton, so that gives you the extra. Most ones around here will charge a metric, and they say they pay the same, but they don't pay the same, because there's a $200 difference, 200 pound difference on that, and that would be like $16 difference. So they'll give you 150 or 140, and then they're making, you know, 40, 50 bucks a ton, right? Or probably more, because, you know, they get paid more than the average guy, right? Because they're dealing high volume. They might get like 180 a ton or 200 a ton. Okay, let's keep moving. Got a lot to do today. I'm gonna bring, like I say, bring a red van only. Be cherry picking what's out there, what's left, what they didn't pick up. There's probably crews hustling their ass off, picking all that garbage up. If I get some video of that, you can see how hard these guys work. Usually they're young guys, teenagers, and they're running all day, and it's right now it's probably 22 degrees or Celsius, I mean, and so it is pretty warm, so you gotta hustle and run a lot to pick all that garbage up. So if we can get a video of that, it'd be an awesome sight to see. Okay, stay tuned. Just got the computer from my friend and viewer. Found on the side of the road for me. Looks like it's all there, no RAM, but it's got the CPU. Yeah, it looks like a green board. I'm not sure how good it's gonna be, but I think this aluminum is off here. Yeah, maybe. Anyways, it has the hard drive, power supply, has one DVD. Or does it? It looks like it has it, but it's a hidden one. Okay, thanks again, Shelly, if you're watching. Thanks for the computer. Roxy, come here. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Pause. Go say hi to everybody, huh? Yeah, go say hi. It's hot, huh? Posy, come on. Just out the road. Been here for a couple days. My wife was telling me she just finally remembered. It's got a transformer in it. It's pretty heavy. Hopefully the other one up the road is still there, because I'll grab that too.
I was sitting here for a couple of days.
Okay, street here. Not even like an hour ago, before I dumped my truck. I knew, so my equipment now, this is new, they just put it out now. Here's like 2 pounds aluminum, maybe more. It's pretty heavy. Little pressure cooker. I was going to the scrapyard. These ones are usually pretty good. Oh, it's been gutted, somewhat gutted. That's okay, it's still got weight. I tried fixing it, maybe rip the door off, which is good. Less plastic for scrapyard. Still quite heavy. This will be a good copper mortar. Usually in here, there's copper in there. Okay. Look at the silicone job they did. That's ridiculous.
Is that blue?
How would you silicone? That's stupid. Look at that. Okay, there's not a lot left anymore here. Just want to see if there's something good. Yeah, I haven't been here yet, but I'm looking for aluminum, just better metals. You know, and like do some cord cutting. Cut that cord here. Cables and wire. There's a bicycle wheel there. Some areas the garbage hasn't been here yet. I'll take this wheel because it's gonna be heavy enough. For its size, it's got weight. The stove here. Okay. I'm gonna throw a stove in. Just in case there's not much out there, because right now I can see there is quite a bit of stuff, but it could change. This could be an area they just didn't get to. Just gonna cruise around some more. Just grab that. I'm trying to find better metals, but okay. But there is stuff here, but like I say, it's last of the pickings. This is dirty aluminum, pot metal. I'm just looking for certain things right now. I mean, I could have brought my truck, but I didn't expect it to be this much, especially on pickup day. He said normally this area, the garbage day is done at noon, so obviously they're behind. I grabbed this lamp. It's dirty aluminum, right? It's pot metal. And this one too, so this stuff will add up for weight. I grabbed a stove because, you know, at least I have one item will pay for my fuel. Whatever the rest is going to be gravy. We're just going to do a little tour here of some of the stuff here. You can see there's still a lot of material here. Actually still a lot of metal. I should have had a big truck, but like I say, I didn't.
Tire wheel.
What kind of tire wheel?
Big one.
Not aluminum?
I think so.
With a tire on it?
Yeah.
With a tire on it?
Yeah, like a bike tire.
Oh, bike tire. I just don't know where the garbage trucks are. You know, I could come here and there's nothing. I know sometimes you come here, there's nothing. It's cleaned up, but obviously this area hasn't been done yet. I'm just hoping to find some good e-waste or some computers. Just, you know, better metals, but oh, there's some e-waste right there. Looks, let me see what it is. I didn't cruise around a lot yet last time, so I just did whatever I could. That's what I want is e-waste. Look right here. Navigo Star Choice. That's perfect for me. Semi-stainless steel. The cords here. There's also a vacuum cleaner cord I'm going to grab. Cutting cords now don't matter because this stuff could be gone either today or tomorrow. Actually, a long cord. Cord like that's worth it because it's got a lot of stuff on it. Okay. You have to check these little rice cookers. These ones here. Sometimes they got a liner, aluminum liner inside. Also they have a heating element. This one's a cheap one. Get it out. It's a cheap one, probably steel. And stainless. Grab these here. They're kind of heavy. I'm gonna fold it up nicely. There's lots of cars looking right now. Last chance now. Flat screen. There's lots of cords here. You get a cord cut forever. Nice thick cord, heavy. Another pressure washer of some sort. It's heavy, so it's old. Some more stuff here. More cords. Might take expansion tanks, heavy. Cut a couple cords there. What else do we got? Let me just stand this one up. There, like that. even see this. Some kind of stereo. Some kind of color video printer or something. E-waste. You didn't even see it. That tank's heavy. This tank? I know, but we don't know, the next area could be totally gone, so at least I grabbed some things, give my chance there. The flats. It's a Jiggy Mate. Never heard of this TV before. Jiggy Mate. Okay. I got a printer here. I'm just going to take the power supply. I got probably like 40 in my yard right now, printers, so I might have to start scrapping them the way they are. But there's still lots of stuff out here. Everywhere I go, I'm seeing stuff, so lots of metal. I can't believe there's that much metal out here still. But anyways, lots of cords here. See, that's what I'm saying. There's just the cords alone, you could make a lot of money. Especially, I'm getting 80 cents a pound for cords. Special dust busters. If I don't cut them now, they're going to be gone tomorrow. Most likely these will not be recycled. So the more I can cut, the more that gets recycled. The flat screen TV. Yeah, big stuff I can just throw in simple, but this I'll do an e-waste run,
This is the stuff you can't
and then I grab my big
too
truck
well
and grab
at
all the metal. This kind of stuff I'm missing all the time because when I'm driving, you don't see it. You have to kind of cruise slow and look at every little thing. With the big truck, it's a little bit harder because you're focused on, you know, picking up metals, and you're just stopping at, you know, every metal pile. Versus now I'm cruising, getting all the extension cords, I'm getting all the scrap metal. You know,
It's almost where I could drive the big truck.
I'm looking for
and
the
you just walk behind it
pot
and
metal
all
and different things.
spikes in, hun.
But there's so much material here.
Because they're so close and instead of going in and out.
See, there's a
I
bunch
could
of wire there.
Drive slowly down.
Let me see here.
You could throw all this shit in.
See, look at this wire and stuff here. Cords and different things. Cords means power supplies, electronics. Little lamp. I still don't see scrappers. You see the odd person picking up, you know, just household stuff they can use around their house, but not the main scrappers. Here's a couple bikes they found. See, last time I had about 500 pounds of wire, and then I had probably over 200 pounds of Christmas lights. So that's when I was cruising all the time fast with the car, or with my van. So I was cherry picking. So that's what you have to do. A lot of these no-through roads, you know, you just never know what you'll see. But you can see we're just wasting everything around here. Everything's getting wasted. You gotta remember, a lot of stuff's been picked out of here already, so. But the e-waste, like I say, a lot of guys don't take e-waste. So I'm hoping I can, you know, there's a couple speakers there. I can rush through here quick. Just get stuff that I can get right away and cut cords and different things. Okay, I'm gonna grab this box fan cord. That. Got this little radio. There's so many chairs like this. I mean, like, well, this one's broken, see? A lot of things are chucked away for a reason, right? Okay. I'm just gonna cut the regulator off here. Okay, this top here is aluminum. Something like that's a good chunk of aluminum. It's off of a heater. See, this side's someone's picked up already. That's picked up. So I mean, they're in the area. That's the thing, you don't know. That's why I was a little worried about bringing my truck. You bring your truck here, there's nothing here, so. But we'll see. It's a big area, so let's grab what I can. That guy with the big trailer I was telling you about, he's picking up all the e-waste, everything basically. Look how big his trailer is. I'm going to talk to him for a second. Really nice guy. He doesn't take, he didn't see any computers, but he said there's no scrappers. He's loving it. Well, this is an old school one too. He's loving it. He's got, he's doing good. Single guy. He's doing it good. Like I say, snooze you lose. So he's got a good setup there, and I told him to swing the other way where I saw a metaler. But there are pockets here now, so see how they left the TV set? That's what I'm hoping to find, stuff like that. If I can find my fixed electronics, I'll be happy. Okay. And left one lamp. What was the reason? But anyways, it's got a pot metal aluminum base. Perfect. I'll take it. Cruising. See how they left all the speaker stuff? Well, they'll leave all the electronics the same way. I'll snip the wires, because this stuff I don't really want to take, because nothing special. There's a battery here, see how they left this, because it's an electronic device. I'll take that, it's a backup system. Here's like a bread, it's a bread maker system. I'm going to take that because it's heavy. So now, see, I'm going to go for quality now, see that? There was a computer there for a second, but it's not. We left the TV set over there, another TV set on that side. So I can cruise and fill my van up with better materials, like stuff that I kind of like, what I'm looking for, versus scrap metal. I like it. It's money, right? But all this is processing stuff. It's money too. Left a gas power engine there, I think, or something.
It takes time for you to
especially like this. This one's a steel one, but. I mean, these are all ballasts here. They don't take those. Kind of figured they wouldn't, but something electronic on this side. Let me see. But all that stuff I would take. So, you know, the stuff will sit there for a while and then be gone. They'll have to dispose of the people themselves. I saw this thing. I was wondering what this was. A little fan with a little cooling system in it. I don't know why they didn't. You know why they don't take power tools? Because the return center takes this stuff. With the bottle depots, they take this type of stuff. This has got a heavy mortar. That's why. So I'm just learning to see what they're not taking. I'm surprised. See, they take return center is like a bottle depot. They take paint cans. They take e-waste. They like fixtures. They take. So obviously, that type of stuff they're not going to take. Like it's like competition, right? If they can recycle it properly. Why would they want to throw in the garbage? So at least they're doing their part. They're going to take the 2 tires, and they never took the gas-powered lawnmower. So they're not taking, you know, like gas-powered items. It looks like even weed eaters are not taking. So small electrical motors, they can, like, say, return center will take them. So it's kind of interesting to see. That's what I'm hoping I get a lot of e-waste. Maybe computers this way. So obviously they're selectively taking certain things. So we'll just have to see. I know last year I must have had about 15 TV sets. least or more. I had a dozen or so computers, so see, they picked up a lot. They cover a big area. It's just a matter of trying to find pockets. Like that pocket, I told the guy to go to that area, because that's kind of the last remaining pocket that I can see right now. If I bring my truck back and the garbage guys come back from the dump, because the dump is close. The dump's still like 15 minutes away, so all they have to do is dump their material. Okay, stay tuned. We're left behind. So that means if there's computers here, they'll be left behind, so it's okay. Well, Delta's coming anyway, so I'm gonna have to operate differently in Delta. Now it's close to my house too, very close. I can probably dump a load of metal right away. Not that far away, okay. Like it's heavy, right? But see, I don't want to be dealing with all this glass and stuff, so I can pass on it for now. If I get more desperate later, I'll take it, but not right now. Wow, they're looking pretty gross, these fans. Are they painted or something? This one's an old, well, it looks to be old, but it's not old. It don't look so gross. Like, that's a fire or something. What's in a fire? Don't know. Pass my cutter. Let's take the cords off. Look at, you want a canoe? There's a canoe across the street for you. A little bit rotted, but I don't know why even someone would put a canoe like that. There's no value in it. No one's gonna want it. It looks burnt or something, this stuff. I don't know, weird looking. Someone's art project or something. Okay. Weird thing here. It's a sterilizer thing, I think. Let's throw that in. Yeah, those fans were from a smokehouse. That's why it was all. You can smell the smoke smell. There's an aluminum pot here. I'll throw it in. Looks probably greasy. This pot's steel, so I'm not gonna grab it. Stainless steel. Grab that. Grab the shovel. It's heavy enough to hide it. Okay. Here's a sing-along machine. That's kind of cool looking for kids. Oh, George Foreman grill. Look at that. That's got good aluminum on it. Here's the lights. This is stuff they didn't take. I never took this stuff. I'll take these. These ballasts are okay, you can dump them easy. But some have PCBs in them, so you have to be careful. These ones are non-PCB, I can tell. Okay. So the stuff they didn't take. So, a little light. It's a Sharp TV. Mostly plastic. There's a microwave over there. Awesome. Oh, metal detect, 2 metal detectors. Not just one, but 2. Everything comes in 2s. Remember that. When you watch my channel, 2 metal detectors. Is this a teaser or what? Is that a teaser? I'm gonna put them on top there. 2 bikes. They've been sitting around, but they're cool. Oh, yeah, they're heavy. Okay. That's the excitement for today. Trying to find a spot. Stupid thing. Okay. The other one I'm gonna grab was too greasy, and this one's okay. I'll grab this one. It's a broken screen, but it's okay. grab this thing as some sort of jumper cable. Look at the wire inside it. Nice thick copper wire. Okay. Flat screen TV here. These are a little bit newer series. There's some light fixtures on that side. I might double check. One's a cast aluminum. I can see it from here. You can see the stuff they're not taking, so they are pretty picky.
4997.
And what they're taking, they are picky. Some of these ones here. Yeah, this one's not that good, but some have cast. They're not taking light fixture. It looks like because they want it to the bottle depot. That's the problem. So cut this off here. But if you look up the road there, I see a stove. So not taking stoves either. So stove up there, way up there. There's a piece of brass here, maybe plastic. Take this ugly thing. Okay. But yeah, so it's interesting to see. I saw the trucks cruise by here earlier. Stove way up there. There's more stuff here. Interesting. I'll take this. I got a nice cast. It's got cast metal here. See that? Hammer that off. So there's a hot water tank sitting over there. So there is stuff. So they're not taking those bigger appliances, right? But just never know. Unless they bring another truck over, probably not. What's this say? Steam feeder. There's a little copper here. Look at that. A copper life, a little bit of aluminum. Hardly worth the effort, but anyways, this would be good to get that off. Okay. No cord there. I grabbed the cord off another vacuum over there. Okay. Okay, I got an aluminum pot here. Some videotapes here. Look at them all. Jungle Book, Snow White. No, but some of these go for good money on the internet. Well, supposedly, I don't know.
Disney's supposed to be pretty good.
Fantasia, right?
Yeah, Disney. And I had a bunch of Disney.
But everybody's got them. They made millions of them, right? It's a shame, right?
Collectors,
But
do you want party?
yeah.
Got grandkids you want to drive nuts?
Yeah, I don't even have a player no more.
Any dressers? I got one more coming up.
No, I appreciate it. Thanks. That's the stuff I'm looking for. Wire like this, it all adds up big time. Wire, see that? Little blending tool. You know, at 80 cents a pound. Adds up. I mean, I could have had a load of metal, but, you know, what do you do? Right now here, let's watch these guys how they just rifle everything in there.
Computer stuff. Regular.
I want to do a video. Let's see. See what they... See how they work in there. That's a hard job with these guys. If you want to work, this is work. Our neighbor. My friend used to do this years ago. He was working 9 o'clock at night, spring cleanup. It's definitely a hard job. So I asked him how long they worked. He told me that they worked till 8 o'clock yesterday doing garbage. That was in Tawasin. So 6 till 8, I guess. Long days for these guys. But they should have did it a week apart. I don't know why they did it. Stupid. More chance things get recycled. It gives those guys a break. But a tough job, I'll tell you. I don't know how they can do it.
We have to jump this through and come back out.
Okay.
I'll take it all this.
So they're taking everything they can, but whatever they don't miss to get tomorrow.
Bike wheels.
And more bike wheels?
Yeah, there's 2 back there.
Okay, 2 bike wheels. Look at that. I didn't even see it. Okay, let me see if my spotter knows what she's talking about. Okay, let me see. There's a flat screen stand. The garbage guy's coming. Oh yeah, but these are not aluminum. Okay. They move quick. It's like bang, 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 bang. Okay. Always kind of heavy. I'm almost debating about bringing my truck back. Just take you know, the bigger stuff, but they're not taking. There's a lot of aluminum tables here and stuff. Have to see. Flat screen TV. A couple cords. Oh, look at this. Defective. That's cool. This thing here. I'll take that.
Because even down roads they've already done, there's a lot of metal kicking around, right? Like the big swing set.
Yeah, I think the stuff they don't take, there'll still be a lot of metal. I think I'm gonna bring in my big truck. That big truck out. All this stuff like garbage. It's all like videotape stuff. Like brand new. Look at that, totally brand new. No, you can't sell them anymore, they're hard. Escobar. Never heard of these people. There's so many people now, they're hard sales. Keep forgetting my cord all the time. Cord cutting. Okay. Yeah, I'll buzz fill my truck up a little more. And get my big truck. Yeah, garbage trucks right here and right there. This guy's loading a couch on it right now. There's a wire. There's a pump in there. I'll just take it. Plastic, I guess. No, it's cast metal or something. I'm gonna throw it in. Yeah, back-to-back garbage trucks. So they're around here. They're everywhere. They're here. Things here. Meat cutter. Grab this for now. The van's pretty full, so the garbage truck is hitting areas already, different pockets, but it's still metal, quite a bit of metal. So I'm thinking bring my truck. I can still do a load or another load, or at least something, anyways. Even if I get a half a load, and whatever I have in another yard and everything else, I can top it off. That's a little greasy thing here, since I'm here. So this aluminum top on it. So this. What the hell? Crazy. Hilarious. Like a bomb. Must have been a fluorescent tube in there or something. Sounds like a bomb. Okay, so I'm pretty full. If I wasn't grabbing my truck, I could probably put a little more in, but just grab my truck and see, because I might be able to get those aluminum patio tables. They're pretty heavy. Chairs and patio tables and who knows whatever else. Okay, there's stuff inside it. Could be just got it out. Let's get the motherboard. Let's get the power supply here. Take the fan off. That's the stuff they won't take, huh? We'll see what's across the street here. I'm here. Still got the motherboard anyways, that's okay. Got a light here. Light. Outdoor light, the cord, little metal brackets. Wouldn't stop, but it's a computer here, so. Gross. Okay. Stuff I'm seeing. I think that's might be a brass lamp. I wonder. Nope, steel. Had a nice look to it. Take the lamp anyways. It's got a lot of weight to it. There's water cool up there if I can grab that, but probably not. I'm coming back. Okay. Oh, stuff over here, I can't believe it. Here's a water cooler. Oh, spider, get off there. There's a little water cooler in. If we get this mortar in somewhere. There's a heavy mortar in there. They're really good. There's a pot here, it's good. Christmas lights here. Also another pot on this side. Look at this metal here. Yeah, I'm coming back because if this stuff is still here, these gonna have to. All these bed rails are really heavy. Oh, it smells really greasy. Yeah, forget it. This hasn't been cleaned for years. Okay, you have to go. Just getting teased here. Okay, now we'll take the rest of this metal from here. Yeah, that guy's the homeowner. He was taking the awning apart just to deal with it, basically. So I don't have anything to cut that other one. Way too long. I'll probably bend this, I'm thinking. Grabbed a heavy metal. My wife had to help me carry it, or put it on. I can carry it, but I couldn't put it on. Probably about 100 pounds. This one here. Okay. Up there. Well, it's like an old lamp, old school style, somewhat.
There's metal behind it too.
Just let it stick this somewhere. Lift it up, and just bring it up a little bit. Watch out, move your hand. Move your hand. Stinks, this fridge. Gross. Okay, then do a barbecue next. Just lift the back end.
I'm trying to.
Just give me one spot up here. Okay. There it is. In. Here's a little flat screen TV here. A little sharp. Okay. There's also a piece of aluminum here. Another piece of aluminum, nope, steel, galvanized. Oops, one off the back. Okay. There's a dishwasher across the street, so it might be too heavy, I don't know. If I grab it, I'll grab it. Some of these are a little heavy. Okay. Freezer up, it's actually pretty heavy for its size. Managed to get up. Just toss this up here, roll it a couple times, I guess. Seems like all bigger stuff here. I wonder if I just put it on the edge here, maybe. Pass the ladder this way. On me and the wife. Put Joe to shame. Okay, got it in. It wasn't even that hard. Look at this vacuum. Even though it's plastic. Once you mix it up full, it should be fine. So I'm getting a good load, considering it's all taken away mostly. Okay, rest of the fixtures was here last time. These here. One there. Okay. What are they anyways? Huh. That's actually a nice cast aluminum cover here. Might come off. Live van or something? Never heard of it. Okay, 1 second, let me just cut the cord here. Lucky I don't have Joe here. He'd be whining. Yeah, I need the piece. Hold it. Okay, that's it. It's in. Just got a microwave here. This is the fasten with a strap. Got a big shelf. I got another table from a lawn chair table set, like a round one. Okay, keep going. Paint tank, can't take it, but I can take. I'll take coffee maker. I take the cord. You don't have the cutter on me. Oh well. I'll grab the jack. That's a nice surprise next to the toilet. Good load of metal here I'm gonna grab. It's gonna be real quiet. It's getting a little bit late. It's around just after 9. Okay. Right there. Looking pretty good. Okay. Okay, full load. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.